Hello everybody, we're here at Thousand Islands Toyota. My name is Dawson, and today we're going to be looking at the 2020 Toyota Camry SE Upgrade all-wheel drive. So this vehicle comes with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 202 horsepower and 182 foot-pounds of torque. As you can see here, we have a really nice set of 18-inch alloy wheels that come with this upgrade. It's really slick, really works well with the black. And on the inside, we have the same great, beautiful design with the Camry, with the nice soft tech seats here, the leather and the cloth combined. Really high quality, really nice job. But this one does come with a few extra goodies as well. So here we are in the back seat. So once again, we have lots of room in these Camrys. Same great, beautiful seat design, stitching in the back. So very comfortable for any passengers you may have as well. We also do have the armrest and cup holders, which is really nice. But the upgrade also gets the vents in the back for the passengers. So an even better experience for them as well. Really love the silver accents that they put into. Works really well with the black, looks very nice and stands out as well. And here we have the trunk. So once again, we do have the release that's right beside the steering wheel on the dash. We also do have the trunk opener on the key fob as well. So a couple different ways, so you have even more convenience if you're inside or outside the vehicle. We do have lots of space in here as well. Lots of room for groceries, sports, whatever you guys need. And then we do have the two separate sets of mats for the different seasons of the year. And then we do have the really convenient feature here to pull down the seats. So if you do need more space as well, it is very, very simple to do, just because this is a very long trunk. So lots of space there. So here we're in the driver's seat. Once again, I'm just gonna go over just a handful of the key features that the Camry SE Upgrade has, and I'll keep it relatively short. If you guys want a more in-depth experience, then obviously I encourage you to come down to Thousand Islands Toyota and either sit in one or take one for a test drive, whichever your preference. So we do have the really nice set of gauges with the multi-information display in the center. Really nice, clean look, very easy to read and very easy on the eyes during night driving. Multi-information displays access through the directional pad here, with the back button being right there. So very simple, you can just scroll through everything here. And there is a lot of information that the multi-information display has to offer. That is for your dynamic radar cruise control, any messages that pop up. This also does come with the blind spot monitoring for the SE Upgrade. It also has the lane tracing assist, lane departure alert, the pre-collision system, and as I stated before, the dynamic radar cruise control. So it comes with a lot of really good Toyota Safety Sense features. And then we do have the infotainment setup here. So this does come with the 8-inch touchscreen. Really like this this entire dash setup. It blends very, very well together. Toyota's done a really nice job here, and it can definitely be appreciated. I do really like the fact that we have our touchscreen, but we also do have the physical knobs that are above and below each other, with the other physical touch buttons there on the side. So really nice blend here, really convenient for when you're driving. It has a great sound system, and it's definitely worth checking out for sure. And we do have our dual zone climate control. So we have the sync feature there for both the driver and the passenger. And then obviously we have our fan speeds, defrosting, AC. So a lot of features there. The SE Upgrade also does come with the wireless charging pad for your phone. So if your phone supports it, this is a really nice feature to have. You just throw it on top and it'll automatically start charging. So really nice to have. And then we have our USB and 12 volt 120 watt power supply with our leather wrap shifter, nice cup holders here. And then we do have heated seats for both the driver and passenger. And then in the center we have our USB charging ports with a nice center console here, lots of depth to it, so definitely a lot of space to store whatever you need. And at the same time, we do also have paddle shifters on this. So this is a really cool feature. Like I said before, I really like where the Camry is going. It's definitely, you know, it's a mid-size sedan, but it is way more sporty. So definitely something that all ages can appreciate, and the features there. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to, very simply. But if it's something that interests you, then paddle shift away.
So there you have it, folks. That's the 2020 Toyota Camry SE Upgrade all-wheel drive. Just one more thing I want to mention before I conclude the video. This also does come with a moonroof as well. It's just kind of awkward to show you guys while I'm actually in the driver's seat. But it does 100% come with one. So that is a really nice feature to have with the SE Upgrade. This is a really, really nice vehicle. I love the black on black. I also do really appreciate the unique rims that you get with them too. It really, really works well with the exterior and the interior with the silver accents. So if this is something that interests you guys, we encourage you to come on down to Thousand Islands Toyota and let us help you find the vehicle you're looking for.